How to connect and pair Omnipod 5 to Dexcom G6. How to connect and pair Omnipod 5 to Dexcom G6. During Omnipod 5 setup, when setting up your Omnipod 5, a screen will prompt you to connect a glucose sensor. Select Dexcom G6 and tap Confirm. If you are not ready to connect the sensor, you can tap No Sensor, but note that without a sensor, automated mode will not be available. After confirming, you can choose to add your sensor immediately or tap Not Now to do it later. Adding or changing a sensor later from the Omnipod 5 home screen, tap the menu button. Tap Manage Sensor, then tap Enter New to add your Dexcom G6 sensor. Enter the Dexcom G6 transmitter serial number, which can be found on the back of the transmitter, its box, or within the Dexcom G6 mobile app under Settings. Tap Save and Confirm to start the connection process. This may take up to 20 minutes. Important notes for connection. Make sure the Dexcom receiver device is turned off because the Omnipod 5 system does not support the Dexcom receiver. It only works with the Dexcom G6 mobile app on a compatible smartphone. The Dexcom transmitter can only pair with two devices simultaneously, the Omnipod 5 pod and the Dexcom G6 app on your smartphone. Do not use the Dexcom receiver alongside the Omnipod 5 to avoid interference.